G'day YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the next step, or next couple of steps that I've done on this tree. You would have seen this tree in a recent video that I've done regarding some of the big bend I've put in to twist that first branch down. Now this is the next phase of this tree. It's a very quick video, but I hope it gives you how do you approach step by step each project tree you have. In this case, it's all about removing the parts that ultimately won't be part of the tree. And when I say remove, I'm talking about air layering. So this is the next phase of this tree, next part. I'll just bring in the camera nice and close up so you can see what I've done. Okay, so what I've done is I thought I'd come in and do some close-up shots of this tree and where I'm at too. So you might have remember that branch there was over here somewhere. Now it's all the way twisted around, and it's sitting. There's the first lower branch, and there's this second branch. Let me try and get that in there. So ultimately, I think if I tilt the tree up, sorry about that dog next door, but if I tilt the tree up, you can see a nice little tree in there. If you just look at those two branches, just using those two branches. Then I've gone and air layered, as I mentioned, that the multi-trunk up here, and I've air layered a bit lower down on this big tall branch or trunk. I've air layered that off. I air layered a smaller branch off here as well, and I've air layered this branch in here too. Oops, where is it? There it is. So there's 4 air layers on that tree now. And once I imagine I remove all those 4 should really open up the tree. Now I haven't air layered. There's a really nice branch in here. See how nice that is? It's really cool. So I haven't air layered that because I'm considering where I want to air layer it. So either I can do it there and have a small tree, or I can ultimately do it there and create at least a bigger base, like a starting nice fat little base and twisted small tree possibly, or just go there. Probably most likely it's going to be there, just because there's not enough room I think there to be able to do a good air layer. You need to clean up that trunk quite a bit, so I'm just leaving that for now. Plus there's all this wire in amongst there, so it's pretty hard for me to get into there, but this is also a backup in case this maybe fails, but I don't think I think this will be fine. You got a nice small branch in here that's just there for now, just to keep some foliage around. Same there, foliage around, and same there, foliage around. So 3 small branches there just left alone for the time being, and see where we end up going with that. But yeah, ultimately that's the start of this tree and how we end up want to progress it. I'll ultimately want a small tree with that main trunk and the trees in here. I know it doesn't look like much now, but I can definitely see a really cool little tree there. There you go, guys. Anyway, but you know, this is all about preparing good quality trees for the future, and this is how I go about doing it, because you know what, I hate cutting stuff off and throwing it away. This way I can create, there's 4 trees I'm in the process of creating, plus there's at least, you know, possibly a 5th tree. If these grow a bit more, there's another 3, so 8 trees plus the main tree. That's 9 trees from the one stock plant. So that's the ultimate goal. Okay, so guys, I think that completes this video for now. This will be I consider like next part of this video series on this project tree. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, look at your trees, get some stock plants, and do some air layers to create smaller trees. Alright guys, I'll keep you updated on the future of this tree as well, so please subscribe to the channel and click the little bell notification so you can get notifications of new videos. See you next time.